For those of you that still haven't invested because it's too hard or you don't know where to start, I got a special treat for you. Investing is so easy that even kids can do it. And not just any kids, my kids. That's right, we're gonna find out how my boys are investing right now. What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Wealth Hacker TV. This is the channel dedicated to teaching you new ways to grow wealth that is not taught to you in schools or by your parents. I am your host, Jeff Rose, and this is part of the Grow Your Dough Throwdown series. So what is this all about? Well, if you're not sure, you need to check out this video or click on some of the links in the description that gives you some more insight what this challenge is all about. The gist is that I'm investing $1,000 into different platforms like Lending Club, Fundrise, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, Betterment. More videos are coming, so be sure to subscribe to this playlist so that you can check out all the series that are part of the Grow Your Dough Throwdown. This part of the series is a special one because it is near and dear to my heart. So I wanted to bring my family involved. I want them to get started investing. So I had my two oldest boys open accounts, pick some stocks, and they are now investing in the stock market and taking part in the Grow Your Dough Throwdown because that's what brothers like to do. They like to fight, they like to compete, and they want to see who can grow their dough the biggest at the end of this year. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Now for this portion, I'm actually gonna break this video up into two parts. The first part is going to be me talking with my boys, talking to them about stocks, how to pick stocks, and then help them choose the stocks that they want to buy as a part of this Grow Your Dough Throwdown. The second video is talking about the platform that I chose to use for them as part of this. Now, I chose this platform, which is called Stockpile, because this is really great for anybody that has kids that want to get started investing. So they allow you to buy stocks, you can buy fractional shares. I'll have more about them in the second part of the video, so be sure to check that video out as well. All right, that's enough chit chat for now. Let's go ahead and check out the discussion I had with my two oldest boys about buying stock and what led them to determine the stocks they want to buy. It was a fun conversation. All right, what's going on? I've got my two older boys here and I've been telling you about this Grow Your Dough challenge. They are taking part. Neither one of them has ever purchased a stock before. I don't think they even really know what a stock is. We're gonna find out. We had a little conversation about it, but first let's just say, Parker, we'll start with you. What do you think a stock is?
I have no idea.
Bentley, what do you think a stock is?
Where you give money to, I don't know.
Give money to something.
No, where you give money to like a pharmacy or a restaurant or...
Pharmacy or restaurant, okay. Something like that. So basically a stock is if you want to buy ownership, if you want to invest into a company. So a company, I mean, we're all sporting some companies, right? We got some Nike going on. We got Under Armour. You're out of the shot at the moment. Okay, so Under Armour is a company. We've got Yeti is a company. Look around the house, right? Frigidaire, our fridge, we got our range, we got all these different things that are companies that you can invest into, all right?
Yeah.
So if you want to invest and make money, you want to invest into a company that's going to make money, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's kind of like, for example, so my boys, they collect baseball cards.
Yeah.
Right? So what makes a baseball card make money? How does a baseball card have value?
They put it in stores and then you have to buy it for money.
But what makes a card worth more than another card?
Like a better player.
A better player, right?
You could have like 3,000 hits.
So 3,000 hits. So a better player.
And only a couple people have done that.
Okay, so that makes that card more valuable, right? Because it's a better player. Because he's going to either have a higher batting average, he's going to make more baskets, he's going to throw more touchdowns, right? If a team has a better player, what does that do for the team?
It makes them good.
Makes them good. And if you have a good team, what happens with the fans?
There's more fans.
More fans, so you got people buying more tickets, buying more jerseys, buying more memorabilia, so that team's making more money, right? They're buying more food, concessions, right? So that's how teams make money. So with a company, the way they make money is by either selling something, selling a product, selling a service. Parker, you're wearing Nike right now, right? So how do you think Nike makes money?
By buying their clothes.
By selling their clothes, right? They make money by selling their shoes, selling their clothes. So what helps them sell more clothes?
I don't know.
Well, why do you wear Nike?
Because it's cool.
Because it's cool.
Yeah, I just like it.
Well, who wears Nike that you like?
LeBron James.
LeBron James. So do you think that Nike really wanted to sign LeBron James and make sure that Under Armour didn't sign LeBron James?
Yeah.
Because if they didn't sign it and Under Armour got it, who's gonna make more money probably?
Nike, just kidding. Under Armour.
Little dab. Boop. Right? So this is a little bit about how companies make money, right? So if Nike took a gamble on, say, LeBron James when he was in high school, but he didn't make any money, like he was ended up being like one of the worst players ever, that wouldn't be good, right? They would lose money. Some of the companies that, that I've invested into Nike, I've invested into Under Armour, I've invested into Facebook, right? Here's some companies I've invested into, Visa, which, that's a whole other thing. But anyway. Nissan, but Nissan, actually I've never invested into Nissan, but the cars though, right? Tesla is the stock company you can invest into. So I've been having them just start to think about this, and just so I could show them how companies make money, they're going to buy some stock, and then with y'all, we're going to track the progress of who's going to make more at the end of this year, who's gonna grow their dough the most. Let's go ahead and say, or jot this down, Parker and Bentley. What were some of the companies that you guys were talking about you wanted to invest into?
Nike.
Parker is a Nike guy. Give it up for Nike. Boop. Bentley, you said Under Armour, right?
I also have another one.
Who's the other one you want to invest into?
Walmart.
Walmart, all right.
All right, I'm gonna do Apple. Or
Apple.
Tesla. And Tesla. Oh, I want Publix.
Apple. Tesla.
No, I'm just kidding, Kroger.
Kroger, so Bentley's Kroger. Parker's got Nike, Apple, who else?
Tesla.
Tesla. I like the Tesla. All right, let's say we'll cap it off at 5. You can stick at 3, but if you want to go up to 5. So some others, what else do you watch? So you guys watch a lot of YouTube.
Ninja. Above all.
So Fortnite, you can't invest into Fortnite, otherwise you'd be making a lot of money.
I don't like Fortnite.
But do you know who owns YouTube?
Jim Dobbs. Just kidding.
Jim Dobbs. I have no idea who that is. Thanks, Jim.
Can I do YouTube, Dad?
So, but who owns YouTube? Do you know?
To do pants.
To do pants.
I said, okay, I gotta go do this.
So Bentley is over at Google Home asking who owns YouTube. Who owns YouTube is Google.
Oh, that's what it says. It says Google.
Google, yeah, so it answered you. So Google owns YouTube. So if you wanted to invest into YouTube, you'd have to buy Google.
Google.
So Bentley wants Google. Which actually, their name now is Alphabet, but that's a whole other story. They renamed themselves. But you guys watch a lot of Netflix. Netflix is a company you could invest into.
I haven't watched that in years.
What about Blockbuster Video? You want to invest into Blockbuster?
No. What is that?
Remember we used to have to go rent movies? You had to go to the store and actually like pick a movie out and then bring it home. Do you remember that?
Can I have Amazon?
Back in the day?
Oh,
Bentley.
do Amazon.
You can both do the same. So,
no, I'm not doing the same. I don't care.
So Bentley, you got Walmart and Amazon. Those two are what we call competitors, right? They're competing against each other. You guys eat a lot of McDonald's. You can invest in McDonald's. That's a stock.
No. Ooh, I know what I would do. What? In-N-Out Burger.
In-N-Out Burger, I would love to invest in In-N-Out Burger. Unfortunately, they are not a public company. They're a private family-owned company, so you can't invest into them.
Chick-fil-A.
But I like where you're going with that.
Okay. Wait, how much do I have left? You have one. You have none left.
You're done. So Parker, Nike, Apple, Tesla. Any more? You want to stick with that? Tell you what, he doesn't have to make all those decisions today, but I just wanted to have this brief conversation. So
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. I don't know if Chick-fil-A is publicly traded. Let's find out. I don't think they are. They could be. All right, so we have found out that Chick-fil-A, which I thought is a private company, so we can't do that. So we're still stuck at 3. If you think it's the 1, we can always add to it. We can always change as we go along. But that is it. So my goal with this is to show them. We're gonna put some money in. We're gonna buy some stock. I still haven't decided where we're gonna buy the stock at.
Wait, can I do Facebook?
Facebook, you sure can. Adding Facebook.
Can I add one more?
Who would you add?
It's BB McKitty. Never mind.
Never mind, okay.
What about Yahoo?
You can, but who uses Yahoo? Well, I guess I did, didn't I? Yahoo Finance, woo!
CBS.
All right, so each of these stocks all has a different price.
Wait, can I do DirecTV?
Add DirecTV. So each of these has a different price, right? So Facebook stock, for example, is like $100 and something a share. Tesla is 300. So, do you want to divide this equal? Do you buying equal dollar amounts of each stock, or do you want to buy more of one than the other? Equal. We're gonna just do it equal, make it easy. I'm gonna go ahead and enter the trades for them. We're gonna go ahead and start getting invested. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Who's gonna win?
Me? Obviously me.
Obviously. Wait. All right, so that was the fun discussion I had with my boys, talking about buying stocks and helping them choose what stocks they wanted to buy. Now, for whatever reason, I must have been eating chocolate cake during this video or at the beginning of this video, because I ended up having like this black smudge on my face. Have no idea what that was about. Hopefully that was not too distracting for you. It probably was chocolate cake because I kind of like to eat chocolate cake. All right, that wraps up this portion of the Grow Your Dough Throwdown. Check out the next video where I share more about Stockpile if you want to use them as an investment platform. I'll talk more about Stockpile, show you how I opened the account and chose the individual stocks for my boys. So be able to check out that video to see more about that. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Grow Your Dough Throwdown playlist so that you can stay in the loop on what is making money, what platforms that I chose that are doing good and which ones aren't. And you're only gonna find out if you subscribe. So be sure to do that and check out that next video and go ahead and do that right now.